Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Pond5 contributor account to sell stock footage, music, and images, follow these detailed steps for successful verification. Step 1. Visit the Pond5 website and navigate to the contributor section. Click on Start Selling or Become a Contributor. Step 2. Create your contributor account by providing your email address, creating a password, and entering basic personal information. Step 3. After registration, Pond5 will send a verification email to your registered email address. Check your inbox for this message. Step 4. Open the verification email from Pond5 and click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. Step 5. Log in to your Pond5 contributor account and navigate to the account settings or profile section. Step 6. Complete your contributor profile by providing detailed information about yourself, your creative work, and your areas of expertise. Step 7. To receive payments, you'll need to set up your payment information. Navigate to the Payments or Payout Settings section. Step 8. Provide your tax information as required by Pond5 and applicable tax laws. U.S. contributors need to complete a W-9 form, while international contributors need a W-8 form. Step 9. Upload verification documents such as a government-issued photo ID to confirm your identity and comply with legal requirements. Step 10. Once all verification steps are complete, you can start uploading and selling your creative content on Pond5. Wait for approval before your content goes live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.